Everyone, today I want to show you how to change the filter in your Brita Stream pitcher. First thing you want to do is grab the pitcher right here and empty out the water. Next, you want to grab these two tabs and push them in and pull up. That will release the top. We can set this to the side. Next, you want to flip over the top, and right here is where the filter will be housed. So you want to grab this and firmly twist it counterclockwise and then pull down. So either the filter will get stuck here and then you can just pull it out, or sometimes it gets stuck in here and then from the bottom you can just push it. So let me pull this off. All right, this is the old filter. I'll have new filters linked in the description below. Let me grab the new filter. Okay, and then the way I like to set this up is I like to just put it in the housing to begin with. So we will put it in here and then press firmly until it clicks. Once it clicks, you're good. Next, we want to take the housing and line it up with these little slots here. So if you just take it and twist clockwise or right, it'll click in, you know you're good to go. Next, we can pull this back over and put it back on. Perfect. And then to reset the filter, all you have to do is hold the status button for 8 seconds. And once you see that green light, you're good to go. If you thought this video was useful, please leave a thumbs up. Thank you.